Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film a dark vampy look. So if you guys want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to be grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid, and we're going to be using that as our primer. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing Iluvsarahii's palette from Colourpop, and this is a Saucy palette. I'm going to be grabbing color Lit, and I'm going to be applying that all over the crease area with the blending brush. Alright, so now moving on to the second transition color, I'm going to be grabbing a darker purple, and this is also from the Iluvsarahii palette, and this purple is called Heavy Glam. Alright, so now moving on to our cut crease, I'm going to be grabbing my Tarte Shape Concealer and a flat brush, and I'm going to begin by applying a little bit of product at the bottom part of the eyelid, and now I'm going to be opening my eye and then let that crease touch the top part, and that's just going to help me create the outline of where my cut crease is going to begin. And I learned this small trick from watching Nico Guerrero's YouTube tutorials, so ever since I began doing that, it's helped me out a lot on drying out my cut crease. And then after that, you can go in with a smaller brush and then just kind of define it a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Laura Mercier powder. Alright, so now for the lid, I'm going to be taking color Chick Happens, and this is also from the Iluvsarahii palette, and this is more like a metallic color. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to be grabbing NYX Liquid Liner, and I'm going to be creating a wing line. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to be taking Glitter and Glow eyeshadow from Stila in color purple, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of that shade that we had just applied. So while you're applying that glitter, you want to be very careful and you want to make sure that you don't go above your crease, as we have created a cut crease and we don't want to go on top of that. You just want to keep it all over your lid. Alright, so now after applying our lashes, I'm going to be applying some mascara by L'Oreal. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of the Heavy Glam color, and I'm going to be applying that to my lower lash line.
What we do here is go back.
So to cover the dark circles or any dark spots, I'm going to be using Darte's Creamless Concealer, and I'm going to be using a beauty blender. So now I'm going to be applying the Lock-It Foundation by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be trying out these new beauty blenders by Sonia Kashuk. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but yeah, they're really cute, so I'm just going to try them out today. To contour, I'm going to be grabbing Ulta's Sculpting Stick. Alright, so now to set, I'm going to be going back to my Liner Mamacita powder. Alright, so while that's set, I'm going to be going back to my mascara, and I'm going to be applying it to my lower lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing some powder blush from MAC in color Blunt, and I'm going to be using it to contour a little more. I'm going to be applying it on top of where we used our sculpting stick. Alright, so now I'm going to grab a different brush and I'm going to be dusting off our powder. For blush, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Flushed palette. For highlight, I'm going to be using that same palette and taking this fan brush, and I'm going to be applying it to the high areas of my face. Alright, so now just grabbing a little bit of that same highlight, I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to be applying a little bit of product to the tear duct. Now for the lips, I'm going to be grabbing this lip pencil, and this is in color Mamacita from the Iluvsarahii collection with the Colourpop. For the lipstick, I'm going to be taking color Blackmail, and this is from Urban Decay. Alright guys, so this completes the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!